Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Miss Clean, and I'm back again with another video. Please don't mind the background noise. My best friend is definitely in the kitchen shuffling it up, so if I have to have a little background noise, then so be it. As you can tell by the title of this video, I will be reviewing a unit sent to me by Luv Me Hair. First of all, can we get into this packaging? This bow, mad cute. Just as a disclaimer, this is not my first time working with Luv Me Hair, and they did send this unit to me, but they did not pay me. They want me to give y'all my honest opinion and review their unit, so that's what I'm about to do. I just put the weight to the side because I'm gonna just open this last. There seems to be quite a few things in this box. I like that. I mean, I'm really feeling the holiday spirit. Okay, so first on this paper, it gives a little thank you note from the founder. That's cute. I don't feel like reading that to y'all. It's not that deep. Okay. So they gave press-on nails. The idea is mad cute. I mean, they're not necessarily my thing, but it's cute. I mean, I could probably give this to my sister or something. They gave lashes. This, mad cute. Hold on. Let me open it. Let me take it out the box for y'all so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Y'all see this? I see myself wearing the bottom ones. I'm not gonna lie. The bottom ones seem... yeah, they seem more my vibe. The top ones are cute too, but the bottom ones, yeah, like, Luv Me, you did good with this one. You did. There's a few more. Okay. The scrunchie is cute. Yeah, I should be a hand model or whatever. Earrings, and they're hooped. Okay, I could definitely see myself wearing these. I like the diamonds. It's giving bling bling. Yeah. Let's move on. Okay. This is what they gave. I almost dropped it. This is... did I break it? Whew. Okay, no, I didn't. I did not break it. I didn't break it. Okay. So this is what they gave. Yeah, I think, oh, it's a phone holder, y'all. This is cute. I like emerald too. Emerald top color, for me at least. Okay, so the last item in here is this 3-part comb. Do appreciate the pick. Like, I really feel like they... what's the founder's name? Helena? Yeah, she knows what she's doing. She knows her consumer. She knows who she's selling to. Like, I can definitely use this. I mean, y'all know I don't got no hair, but we're not gonna get into that because I'm definitely a hairstylist. Come on, don't play with me. At the Versailles Way on IG. Tune in. The moment we've all been waiting for. The wig. It's dark. I'm not gonna lie, like, I thought it was black for like 2 seconds, like jet black, but it's a dark brown, like a really dark brown. Although, as I'm running my fingers through it, I can definitely see a lot of flyaways, especially at the top. I don't know if y'all can see that, but these flyaways, these short strands of hair, do you see that? Yeah, that's not a vibe. That's giving wax stick needed, like, but I will say there is a lot of volume. It's kind of... it got some weight to it, I'm not gonna lie. Ooh. Oh yeah, it's a closure, y'all. I have never, ever used a closure before. Like, I've installed it on my clients, but I have not installed a closure on myself ever. Whenever I'm buying a unit, I always get a frontal. So this is different. It also comes with 4 combs on the side, but I'm probably gonna cut those out because I'm not using it. Oh, there's an elastic band. It comes elastic band prepped. Elastic band prepped. That's valid. I'm gonna be mad excited. Like, all right, I think I'm gonna put this on now. Okay, I can work with this. First of all, the combs of the unit, the way that the unit is structured, it literally has a piece that goes over my ear right here, and it fits perfectly. I was thinking about putting a bang in the front and cutting the bob short, like a little, not a little bit above shoulder length, but like quite a bit. I just wanted this to be a slap-on wig, look cute, grab and go, like easy to maintain wig. So that's what we're going for. Ooh, I love though, like it feels really soft. Like guys, this is really soft. It feels like really healthy hair. Yeah. All right, let me start getting ready to install this because I'm excited now. All right, let's go.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I'll be down with what you go. I'll be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day or night, it's gonna be down. Wanna be
Yo, hear me now. Anybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, looping. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Those when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching-ching-ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeeze silicon and real bless. Turn a blow breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million.
Okay, I know I look crazy right now. I had to actually do this part off camera because I couldn't see through the camera. But basically what I did is it's parted in the center, right? And then I took my comb and I parted down this way and on this side bit by bit until I could let go of the hair and reach a desired thickness. And peep, I know I'm only doing one side, but that's just because it's way easier for me to get a straight line. Look at that. Okay. Now let's even out the other side. Although it's kind of hard for me to see, I'm not gonna lie. It's on my nose. It's on my nose. It's on my face. Oh my gosh, it's on my lips. I'm so happy I took off my lip gloss before I started cutting because this would have been a disaster. This is cute. If I feel like it needs to be trimmed, I'm gonna do that. But hold on, cause I don't like it to be like too sharp. I want it to look a little frayed at the bottom, so I'm gonna just cut upwards like this. I'm really just praying I don't hit my lashes.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat, need no one else, you're all I need, personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you, your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny, I got a crush on you, that's truly, I'm digging you, you make me believe.
So yeah, y'all, this is the final look. Mind you, I have hair everywhere on my on my whole body. There's hair, but this is the length that I wanted it. I wanted it short but cute. I love the banging. I'm gonna go do my makeup and get ready because I was trying to do this before I leave. I'm running a little bit late actually, but you know what? It's okay. We're on the way. I already put my clothes aside anyways, so I'm just gonna put that on and then I'm out. Well, I'm gonna show you guys and then I'm out. Yeah. Okay, so y'all, this is the final look, and when I tell you I look at myself and I see the baddie that I am, oh my goodness, y'all, this is cute. This is just as cute as I thought it was gonna be. This is exactly the look I was going for. Like, okay, Love Me, this hair was very easy to work with. It was very easy to bleach, very easy to cut, very easy to move with. Like, this lace, I like the lace, even though it looked a tad bit white and it was a little bit scurry. The lace is alright. It took the makeup, the colors to the makeup very well. The flyaways that I was concerned about earlier, like I said, you know, some wax stick, hot comb, flat iron, all of that handled all the flyaways. But this is super cute. Like, Love Me, y'all did y'all thing. You must love me. Love me. You must love me. Yeah, this is cute. Anyways, I'm getting a call right now, so I'm about to go, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Catch y'all on the flip side, beautiful people. Mwah. Later.